Welcome back to Decode's Frappe Developer tutorial. In this video, we will discuss different document methods used in Frappe framework. In previous video, we have seen one document method and which is document.save, and this is used for saving the document or updating the document. In this video, we will discuss some more document methods and let's start learning. Let's open the VS Code, and our first document method is doc.insert, and this method is used for inserting a document into database, and it will check user permissions and it also execute before insert, validate, on update and after insert events used in that target doc type. If the target doc type contains a before insert event, it will trigger that event when we use this doc.insert document method. Okay, let's see how it is working. Here I am going to create a new document in parent doc type using frappe.newDoc method, and I am creating a new function and the function name is new document. And let's create a new document inside this parent doc. I'm adding first name as Leia and last name Das, and also age 23, and here I am using doc.insert method, and this method will insert this document into the database. If there is any one of these events are present in our parent doc.python file, then it will trigger after inserting this document into the database. So let's create a validate event and call this method inside this validate event. I am removing this pass, and let's save this. First I will check this method is working or not. So let's go to the application and create a new child doc. I'm giving the name, click on save, and let's go to the parent doc, reload this list, and now we can see the Leia document inside this parent doc, and here we can see the last name and age. So the doc.insert method is working fine. Now I am deleting this document. Now I am going to show you how the doc.insert method will trigger different events used in that parent doc. So for that, let's open the VS Code, and I am opening my parent doc.py file. This is under this parent document directory. This is my py file, and inside this file there is no method. Let's create a validate event and I will check it is triggered or not when we insert a new document using doc.insert method. So I am copying a message printing function, and let's paste it inside this parent doc, and this I am changing this message hello frappe. Let's save this, and now I am in my child doc.py file and I am not changing anything here. Let's go to child doc and I'm changing something here, then click on save, and now we can see the message hello frappe, and this message is from our parent document. And when we create or when we insert a new document into that parent doc, it will trigger this validate event and this message will show. So our doc.insert is working fine. Next document method is doc.save, and which we already discussed in previous video. So let's verify this method one more time, and doc.save method will check the user permission and it also execute this events validate and on update. Let's create a new function. save document, and here also I am using frappe.new doc to create a new document, and I am adding first name Rose and last name Lindo, age is 21, and here I am using doc.save. And when we save this document, it will trigger the validate and on update event if that event is present in parent doc. So now in our parent doc, that validate event is already there, and I am changing this event to on update. Okay, let's save this and open child doc. Let's create a new child doc, add a name, then click on save and go to parent doc list, reload this page, and we can't see the new document because there is some error in my code, and the error is I forgot to call this method. So let's create a validate event and call this save document method inside child doc.py file. So let's save this again and go to child doc, go to child doc list, add a new child doc, give a name, click on save. Now we can see a hello message, and this message is from our parent document, and if you go to the parent document list, you can see the new document is created and it is successfully saved into the database. So this is how the doc.save method is working. So if the parent document contains any validate or onload events, it will trigger that event when we create or when we save the document using doc.save. Let's comment this, and another document method is doc.delete. As the name indicates, this will use to delete a document. Here I am creating a new method and delete document. The same, I am using getDoc to get that parent document and Ferry from parent document list, and then I am using doc.delete to delete this document. Actually, I think this Ferry is not present in parent document, and instead of that I am using Rose because we just create this document just before. And let's call this method validate and save this and comment this line. Then go to child doc, add a new child doc, give a name, and before going to save this document, let's go to the parent doc list, and here we can see the document Rose. So now I am going to save this, and I'm opening parent doc list, reload this, and now we can't see the Rose document. It is deleted using doc.delete method. Let's comment this. One more important document method is remaining, and that method is doc.dbset. And this method is used to set a value to a particular field. We have already discussed how to set a value using set value, and instead of that we can also use doc.dbset to set a value to a particular field. So let's see how it is working. I'm creating a new method, and the method name is dbsetDocument. Here I am fetching one document using frappe.getDoc, and I think this actually is not present inside this parent doc list. Instead of that, let's use Leia. So I'm passing the document name Leia, and here I am going to set the age field into 45. So for that we can use this method doc.dbset and then field name, which is age, and that field is inside this parent doc, and I am setting that value to 45. And here also I am calling this method using a validate event. Save this and comment this line. go to parent doc list and open layer, and now we can see the age is 23. Let's change this age using doc.dbset. I'm opening my child doc and create a new child doc. Let's give a name. It's already exist. Okay, save this and go to parent doc layer and reload this page. Now we can see the age is changed to 45. So this is how we can change a field name using doc.dbset method. So from this video we have seen different document method used in doc types. Here I am only discussed the important document methods used in Frappe, and you can also see different other document methods in Frappe documentation. This is it from this video, and see you on the next video. Bye.